going to begin with an apple chiltepin salsita. I have water here that I'm already bringing to a boil, and I'm gonna add 3 ripe Roma tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves that I already peeled. Checking on my tomatoes, and they are ready. So I'm going to continue to make my apple chiltepin salsita. This apple chiltepin salsita, I call it a salsita because you need a little of it to drizzle over things. It's not a sauce that is gonna be the base of a dish, like the salsa brava from the tacos bravos. I have the 3 tomatoes, the 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a raw green apple. Here I'm using a Granny Smith. This is like an apple salsa. It's a very different salsa from anything that I've tried before. And then we have the chiltepin chile. The apple goes really well with the chiltepin because it's sweet, it's tart. I'm just gonna add 3/4 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 cup of the cooking liquid where the tomatoes cooked. Now I'm going to puree the salsita and then I'm gonna season it. It smells like baked apple. I love baked apples. We just want these to season for like 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. That was just a few minutes and it looks like the salsita is ready and it smells sweet and it smells spicy. It's so sweet, and then 3 seconds later you get the kick from the chiltepin. That's why we call it a salsita.